Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to enable JavaScript on your browser. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is, of course, open your browser. It doesn't matter which browser you're using, it's going to be the same process. After that, you're going to click on your menu over here, and you're going to click on your settings. By doing this, you will be redirected to this page, and you're going to click on your search bar and search Site Settings. You will see this option over here. Click on this, and you will be able to, and over here, you're going to scroll down, and you will be able to see the option JavaScript over here. You can simply click this, and you can enable it or disable it in this section. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.